Have you ever think that there is common genes in monkeys and human? Yeah, there is Rehes factor. So what is Rehes factor? Rehes factor is the antigen on the surface of a red blood cell beside the antigen of the blood group. According to the human, Rehes factor are classified into two: Rh positive and Rh negative. Positive Rehes factor, which means their blood contains Rehes factor and they represent about 5% in human beings. Negative Rehes factor, which means their blood is absent from Rehes factor and they represent about 15% in human beings. So inheritance of Rehes factor. Inheritance of Rehes factor is controlled by 3 pairs of genes carried on 1 pair of chromosomes. The dominance of one of these 3 pairs of genes leads to the formation of the Rehes factor and the person will become Rh positive, whereas all Rh negative individuals are recessive. So what is the importance of Rehes factor? To know the type of Rehes factor you are is important. When? 2 times. Before the marriage and before the blood transfusion. Why is it important before the marriage? Example, if Rh positive man marries Rh negative woman, in the first pregnancy, if the fetus becomes Rh positive, a portion or a sum of the fetus blood mixes with his mother's blood to produce antibodies and stimulates her immune system, where these antibodies remain in the mother's blood and the fetus will born safely. What about the second pregnancy? If the second pregnancy fetus becomes Rh positive also, and the antibodies will remain in the mother's blood, moves from the mother's blood to the fetus blood, causing the distinguishing of the fetus red blood cells and infecting me with the severe of anemia, which leads to its death. What about if Rh negative man married Rh positive woman? In the first pregnancy, both states will born safely. What about the second pregnancy? If the second pregnancy, fetus becomes Rh negative and this mother is Rh negative, will also born safely, because when a portion or a sum of the fetus blood mixes with his mother's blood, then stimulate her immune system and the mother's blood will not produce antibodies.